Hello, welcome again, and let's learn about types of houses. Mansion, a large impressive dwelling house. Villa, a type of upscale detached house often situated on a spacious property, emphasizing on privacy and luxurious amenities. Hut, a small simple shelter often made of natural materials like wood, mud, or grass. Apartment, a self-contained housing unit within a large building, typically on a single story. Townhouse, a type of housing characterized by multiple stories and shared walls with adjacent units. Cottage, a small cozy dwelling often associated with rural or countryside setting. Farmhouse, a building typically located on a rural or agricultural setting that serves as a primary residence for those who live and work on the land. Cabin, a small wooden shelter or a house in a wild or remote area. Houseboat, a boat designed for use as a dwelling, often featuring amenities and living spaces similar to a house. Mobile homes, also known as manufactured homes, they are prefabricated structures built in a factory and then transported to the permanent site. Tiny house, a small house that typically has a floor plan of less than 500 square feet and that is usually designed for space efficiency. Condo. A condo, short for condominium, is a type of property where an individual owns a specific unit within a large building or complex, while also sharing ownership of common areas with other unit owners. Duplex, a single building that contains two separate living units, often with a shared wall. These units can be side by side or stacked vertically, and each typically has its own entrance. Split level home. A split level style home is characterized by multiple staggering levels connected by short flights of stairs, typically featuring a main level with living area, an upper level with bedrooms, and a lower level with a family room and garage. Ranch style house. A ranch style house is a single story home characterized by its low, spowering profile and open floor plan, often with an L or a U shape. Originating in the mid-20th century, it is known for its informal, practical design and seamless indoor-outdoor living space. Single family home. A single family home is a residential structure designed for occupancy by a single family or household, typically detached from other buildings and with its own land and utilities. It is characterized by having no shared walls with neighboring properties, its own separate entrance, and its own utilities. Cape Cod house. It is defined as the classic North American house. Cape Cod house had the following features: symmetry, steep roofs, central chimney, windows at the door, flat design, 1 to 1.5 stories, narrow stairways, and simple exteriors. Contemporary home. A contemporary home embodies the architectural trends of the present day. Their distinctive characteristics are sleek lines, abundant natural lights, and minimalistic ambience. Mediterranean. A warm, elegant residential design inspired by traditional architecture from coastal regions such as Spain, Italy, and Greece. Mid-century modern. The distinctive characteristic of this home is lack of ornamentation in favor of simple geometric lines. For example, frequent use of teak, rosewood, and oak. Craftsman's house. A house with low-pitched roofs, large front porches, and natural materials such as stone, wood, brick, and stucco. Tudor architecture. It is characterized by steeply pitched roofs, half-timbered facades, decorative chimneys, and grouped windows. This style saw a revival in 20th century, particularly in the US, known as Tudor Revival. Colonial architecture. Colonial architecture refers to the building style adopted by European colonists in territories where they controlled, often blending their home country's architectural tradition with the local materials and conditions. This style is frequently found in former colonies worldwide, particularly in the Americas and Asia. Victorian home. A home built during the Victorian era when Queen Victoria ruled between 1837 and 1901. Some distinctive characteristics of Victorian property are high-pitched roofs, ornate gable trim, and bay windows. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.